guys, today we're going to be filming a little, day in the life, POV, whatever you want to call it, of me and the boys living in Cali. So we're here for a week. We got a really crazy Airbnb. Obviously we're driving around some nice cars and whatnot. And so the plan for today, pretty simple. I think we're going to go to a car meet, we're going to do some golfing, we're going to do some work, probably get some food, and enjoy California, man. Guys, it's Ben.
Table tennis later in the sex room.
You can play right now, real quick.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Bathroom?
Coffee. Shitless coffee Proctorware ads. That's $1 billion market, right?
What is it? Okay, hold on. Soy boy.
Ice caramel latte with a double thing of espresso and bless you please.
Dude, I'm trying to film the coffee and it's filming your face because
Really?
it's an osmos. Yeah.
Do I look cute?
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
I feel like the lighting impales our white bodies. I need to get tan. I might start taking GHKU or M2. Which one is it?
All right, guys. So before I do anything in the day, I need to read this. And this is my Bible, right? This is my Bible. This is my words of wisdom here. So right now I'm in Ecclesiastes. So we're gonna read just a little bit. We're gonna read a little verse for you guys. I kind of forgot which exactly part I was in. I think it was in 4. So. Okay, so I just read this one part, and it's talking about the loneliness of wealth in Ecclesiastes 4. And basically it says, this is word for word what it says, I saw that all labor and skillful work is due to one person's jealousy of another, right? This too is futile and a pursuit of the wind. So basically what the Bible is saying here is you can get all these nice things in life, right? You can get the cars, the money, you can work hard, but you're working hard to usually impress other people, and you're working hard because you've seen other people do that. And it's not going to last. That fulfillment is not going to last. The only thing that's going to fulfill you is getting closer to God and having a purpose in God's kingdom, right? In the works of God. Being closer and closer to Jesus is going to give you the most amount of peace, the most amount of purpose. I know it has for me. I was lucky to find Jesus before I even started econ, so I've been really centered with him my whole journey, but I know a lot of people out there, they just keep wanting more and more and more, and more is good, but more is not good if you don't have God. And this is Wayne. Not gonna lie, chat, I think I'm gonna move here in a year or something like that, because Cali is just unbeatable, bro. If I have a Wyoming LLC, bro, taxes don't matter. Oh. I think he's coming with. Bro, look how beautiful it is. This is insane. Not gonna lie, boys, I kind of like the R8 more than the Porsche. It's a V10, bro. It sounds so good, and it's just quicker. It drives good. It looks cool. And honestly, I might be getting an R8 soon, so stay tuned. But dude, Cali is so freaking beautiful, bro. Just look at, just check this view, bro, the palm trees and everything. It's freaking insane, bro.
I do own this guy something, Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Ooh, you can really see in there.
LARPing. I'm LARPing the R8, guys. Buy my new course. It drops in a month. Please.
Boys and mates, the cars and coffee. I think we're here a little late. Yo, what's up, bro? Oh my God! Oh my God!
What's good?
Alright, boys, we just pulled up to Chick-fil-A. Got some good chicken. The Porsche, bro. Slash this fucking ass that's over there. I gave him the keys. He's just gonna drive the Porsche. I'm driving with you. Yeah.
Not my bad.
Yeah, I could do it.
Oh, it's okay to leave a dog in a hot car.
Wow.
Should I do it?
Yeah, go for it. All right,
It's okay to leave a dog in a hot car. Follow that?
Yeah.
It's okay to
Propaganda
leave a
I'm falling
dog
for.
in a hot car. Where we go?
Just follow him, honestly.
Is he bringing us back?
Letting it in and get everything. Being out so
When you're driving behind it.
How long
What?
does it here?
Really?
Oh yeah. How long does it look? Dude, he has a video. Ryan has a video of it.
Bro, I hit 175.
Dude, you were
So we're out here right now. We're having a good ass time. Listening to some busting music.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's another day of e-commerce and the world is on fire and you're
Bro, no, it's not. World's on fire. I made 3K this morning, you know.
yeah. The world is on fire and you need new organizational structure and this person's fired and this person's hired, but dude, you know what I found out is the R8 wasn't in sport mode.
I know, that's what you said, so it rips way harder. Oh no.
I did not believe
Did you spin out?
No.
No.
I did total it though.
About parking the cars in the freaking on the street, but I'm like, I couldn't back it up, so.
I'm sorry, it's a supercar.
Sorry, it's a supercar.
Going to Best Buy after?
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to drop off the R8 right now. And then we're gonna go to Best Buy. I need to get some wired headphones. I got a fake paddock on right now. Got these Aura pants on. Say I got a fake paddock on.
Oh, I thought you said your ad account got banned.
Oh, no.
Ever.
Never. Dude, it's so pretty here.
Dude, I wish I was watching this YouTube video right now of you driving the car and not behind the camera. I wish I could just be in my bed and be a chud and eat candy and Callow data dropship.
Yeah, really nice.
Should I buy a GT3? Fuck no.
Like 240 or 250.
Oh no, this thing has got like the. It's called the Sport Design Package, so it looks like a GTF.
I'm gonna say I'm like looking in like yellow view. It's like happy wonderlands for me, and then got a fire shirt on. I feel good. I don't know. It's a good day. Where's Ben?
Ben's in the CVS getting candy.
Oh, bro, I'm like dying.
Oh my god.
Well, if you have
Bro,
your
guys,
repair card,
I'm a diabetic, I
please
swear.
stand
Wait,
by.
that's even worse thing to say because they don't understand. I'm dying.
Go. Alright, we're walking on the streets of LA. Trash everywhere.
Like so bad though.
Trash everywhere. Gross. That guy pulling his pants down right now. That's pretty gross. Yeah. Can't catch me out here, bro. I realized I didn't film an outro, and I just want to say, like, all these people, Leon, right, the Asian guy with the low cortisol shirt, he was in college a year ago. He still is in college, but he was just a college student a year ago. Me 2 years ago, working at Chipotle, working in food service. Ben a year ago, broke, trying to do organic drop shipping. We've all are just normal kids. We're normal people. I'm a little older, but we are just normal people who stuck to something and got obsessed with something and eventually stuck with it long enough to make it work. I wouldn't even say that we are necessarily the best in our space yet. We're all kind of still on the come up, all still really working hard to push ourselves to the next level. But like, watching this video might seem very unrealistic. It's not. It's not. It's crazy how fast things can change. I think Ben was literally in the trenches, I think, probably 6 months ago. Maybe a little more than that. And now, bro, he is absolutely McPrinting 30K days, 20K days, whatever. Same with Leon, same with all of us. And so it's hard to watch stuff like this, I feel like, from some of your points of view, and to actually be like, yo, like, this kind of makes me feel like I'm behind. No, you're not, bro. You're not behind. You're 6 months behind, if that. It could happen tomorrow. So, like, just keep your hopes up, and like, anything can happen as long as you believe in yourself and you actually put the work in, you can make it happen. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is just a group of friends having fun in Cali and just goofing around, not taking anything too serious. So Lots of LARPing, lots of just being fun and goofy dudes. But yeah, peace out, boys.